Hello, everyone. It's Phil Jones from Projector Reviews, and joining me is Tex Yang from XGIMI. So, Tex, how are you?
I'm very good. Hi, everybody.
Yes. So it's early in the morning for me, and it's late at night for him because Tex, where are you located?
I'm based in China right now. It's yeah, it's a little bit late, but it's okay.
It's okay. So today we're going to be talking about XGIMI's large amount of great projectors. But before we get started, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Meridio and AV Pro Edge, for helping me put on this year's Fall Projection Summit, where we talk about all things related to projectors, screens, and even accessories. Everything you need to build a great projection system. But today we're going to be talking about XGIMI. And I've had the opportunity to review several XGIMI projectors over the last year or so, and I've been incredibly impressed. So Tex, can you tell me a little bit about the company?
Yeah, actually, this company was established November 18th, 2013,
Mhm.
and since then we are focused in one thing, and we want to do this one thing right, which is we are supplying the smart home projectors for
Mhm.
consumers' home. So the whole idea is we really want to differentiate ourselves from conventional projectors.
Mhm.
We want our projectors blend into people's modern life seamlessly.
The company's pretty big.
Yes, actually, we have in-house R&D team, which
Mhm.
is close to 1,000 engineers, and
Mhm.
also we have our in-house auto line production factory.
When I first started seeing the XGIMI products, I'll be honest, I wasn't as familiar with them in the US, but in Asia, they're pretty popular, and even in the US, because of their unique design and feature set, they're starting to become even more and more popular. And I think if people read our reviews, you'll understand why. Now, how many projectors have you guys sold globally?
Until now, we have sold 4 million units. Yeah, so it's a super fast growing company. Just imagine it's only like 8 years.
Yes, it's funny. I was actually in Japan a couple of weeks ago at Yodobashi Camera, and I was like, "Hey, I know those projectors," and I was telling a bunch of people about how really cool they are. Now, one of the things that I've liked about your projectors is the way that you approach design is
Mhm.
different than a lot of other companies. And if you look at your projectors, they have a different design and a different form factor, which really kind of fits the modern home a little bit more than the big box that hangs from the ceiling that you would normally see. Was that intentional?
Definitely. So actually, that's the idea why this company was founded. Because since day one, we noticed people eager to get a big screen at home, but then at home either you have a very big screen, but
Mhm,
somehow screen is fixed, you cannot move it anywhere.
mhm,
On the other side, conventional projectors, I think few of consumers may bring them to your home. So
mhm,
that's why we say, okay, if we want to allow people enjoy big screen, a
mhm,
projector is a good tool, but
mhm.
then we need to make the projector look very modern and
Mhm.
really fit into your home. So yeah, so that's why you see our compact and sleek design.
Exactly. And the fit and finish is really, really well. When you pick one up, the fit and finish of the model is very, very, very nice. There's a lot of models, so let's just focus on the ones that are available in the U.S. market. So where do you want to start with?
Basically, we have a three lineup. Let
Hmm.
me start with our portable lineup.
Hmm.
We basically have a MoGo Pro Halo Plus
Hmm.
in US market.
Hmm.
And if I move up, we comes to the home lineup,
Hmm.
where you can find Horizon and Horizon Pro. Last but not least is UST, or you can call it laser TV.
Hmm.
We have our Aura in American market. By the
Hmm.
way, you can buy it either from Amazon or
Hmm.
from Best Buy or Sam's Club
Okay.
uh,
Okay.
and B&H, by the way.
Hey, I've reviewed a large amount of them. First piece that they sent me was the Halo, and we were
Mhm.
really impressed with its capabilities. smart features, design, and picture quality. It was very, very good. There's a lot of these small projectors that, sound good on paper, but don't look very good when you actually look at the image. So when Cam reviewed the first Halo, he was really, really impressed. Then they sent
Thank you.
us the Halo Plus, and it was even
Mhm.
better. So what was the difference between the Halo and the Halo Plus, by the way?
The big difference is definitely, everybody is paying attention to the brightness. So
Mhm,
Halo Plus is upgrade, step up from the Halo.
mhm,
And secondly, we have this, we call it ISA.
mhm,
Or so basically, let me put in a very simple words is no matter what angle you place the projector,
mhm.
once you project to the wall, even from side, this can automatically become a screen for you.
Yeah, and that was the one thing that Cam, one of our reviewers, when he reviewed the Halo Plus, because he was in the military still, and
Okay.
he would have to travel. He was a reservist, so he would have to travel, and he would find himself in a hotel room for weeks at a time. So he would just bring a small screen with him, maybe a 75-inch screen, and the Halo Plus, and he could set the thing up in minutes.
Just like a
And
breeze.
yeah,
Yes.
and he was really impressed by that technology. Now, after that, we were like, wow, these are really, really cool. But like I said, they're more of a portable. They're designed to be easily moved around. They have a very good sound system by a little Harman system. So even though they're
Yes.
small, they do sound really, really good. Then
Yes.
the next thing you sent us was the Horizon. Okay, so let's talk a
Yes.
little bit
Yes.
about the Horizon Pro and let me know
Okay,
who that is.
yes. It's basically the Horizon series. We have two products in this series. One is, like you say, is a Horizon Pro, which is a true 4K long throw projectors. Then,
Mhm,
of course, we have a small brother, which is
mhm,
Horizon, and it's a full HD projectors.
mhm,
And
mhm,
by the way, Horizon Pro is our best seller,
mhm.
best seller product in Amazon.
So in fact, I actually have a Horizon Pro here. And if you look at it, like we talked about, the design is just stunning with the Harman Kardon speakers and everything else. It's really a really, really well designed product, which is why you've sold so many of them. And now they have the 4K one and they have the HD one. It all depends on your budget and how big of a screen you want and how close you want to sit. If you want a really big screen and you want to sit closer to it, that stepping up to the Pro is definitely worthwhile. So, and you said those are available on, that's one of the number one sellers on Amazon and a few other places, right?
Yeah, Best Buy and
Okay.
B&H and Sam's
Okay.
Club. Yes.
Now, there's also this other little guy that we had a chance to review. Like I said, we reviewed them all. The Elfin. Can you talk a little bit
Mhm.
about what an Elfin is?
Actually, regarding Elfin, if you look at from outside, it looks so different from all other products in our lineup.
Mhm,
Um, we expect Elfin to fit into your laptop bag. You can bring it anywhere, but you
mhm,
never compromise the brightness and picture quality.
mhm,
Yeah, imagine this like this size
mhm,
thickness of the projector,
mhm,
which can deliver like 800 ANSI lumens. It's
mhm,
basically justify most of your needs.
mhm. Now, the other thing too is notice you said anti-lumens. A lot of times people give you these big LED lumen numbers, but LED lumens really, it's like comparing apples to oranges. Most of the time, if you want to make sure that you're going to get a unified standard, you want to be talking in anti-lumens. And 800
Exactly.
anti-lumens from something this compact is more than enough for if you need to use it in a boardroom, or like I said, you want to take it to a dorm room or something like that. And its form factor does make it a lot easier to carry it because it will just slip in your backpack right next to your laptop. Now, last but not least, the last thing that we actually had an opportunity to review was the Aura. And we actually gave it an award for its performance to value proposition. So can you talk a little bit about the Aura?
Sure. And Aura is our first UST projectors to global markets.
Mhm.
Actually, we position it as the most accessible projectors, value for money for consumers.
It's smart, high brightness. What was the anti-lumens brightness on it? Do you remember?
It's 2400 ANSI lumens.
And most of the other guys you have are LED type projectors, correct? And then this is a laser projectors because they need a little bit more punch and brightness. So great looking design, great picture, easy to set up with your automatic setup technologies. And the other thing too is smart. People want to have smart projectors. A laser TV is supposed to replace your TV, and your TV has a big sound system, which it Aura does, and it has all of your streaming services and YouTube and stuff like that. So
Exactly.
smarts is something that people kind of expect in displays these days. Now, you guys actually won an award for the smarts of your projectors, correct?
Yeah. But by the way, just add on top of that to the smart projector. So all our products are based on Android TV. So
Hmm.
it's embedded Android TV system, meaning you just need this device itself. You can download all the apps from the ecosystem. So you can enjoy Prime Video, YouTube, everything on that.
Hmm.
And of course, on top of it, you can Chromecast your Android phone,
Hmm.
or you mirror your iPhone. So
Hmm.
this, all these things make this projector smart.
And one thing you brought up that I'm glad you brought up was it's integrated, it's built in. A lot of times they go, here is a smart projector, and all they do is give you basically a Chromecast stick as a secondary thing that you would plug into your HDMI input. And what you end up with is basically two menu systems completely
Mhm.
separate, and you have to have another dongle, which really makes it less portable, less
Yeah,
easy to
it's all
set
in
up.
one. Yeah,
Also
it's all
having
in.
it all in one is definitely a good thing. And like I said, the Android TV gives you access to a huge amount of apps. So basically, if you have a portable piece, you just take the portable piece, and as long as you have Wi-Fi or your phone has Wi-Fi, you can either cast to it or stream some of your favorite services from the directly from the projector. So really cool products. So we've already talked about the easy to set up, and you've sold 4 million units over that time. You've won a ton of awards, right?
Yes. We,
So
we have all these red dot good design,
mhm,
these international awards,
mhm,
also from CES Innovation Awards, and also ESA
mhm.
awards for Horizon Pro and Aura.
And like I said, every time we review something, we give them a hot product or a value award. The products are excellent. The other thing that I like, we talk about the fact that you have all this very unique form factor. You also have some really neat accessories because, like I said, the design of the product is really nice, but you have these really nice desktop stands and floor stands and even carrying cases for these particular devices. So we're getting into the holiday seasons here
Yeah.
in the US. So what do you think is going to be the hot Christmas presents or the hot holiday presents for?
Definitely Halo Plus. Halo
Yeah,
Plus. It's
yeah,
no brainer. No brainer.
okay. Yeah, so that's what I think. A Halo Plus is a great product. It's compact, the picture quality is excellent, and whether you're a dad like me or a college student or even in the military, it is a great product to give you high performance when it comes to picture and sound that you can easily move from space to space. So Tex,
Indeed.
thank you for coming and talking to us about XGB's lineup of projectors.
Thank you, Philip. Thanks for your time.
Okay. To learn more about XGIMI's lineup of projectors, check out xgimi.com or check out our reviews on projectorreviews.com. So take care, and we will talk to you soon.
Okay. Thank you.